This is how you upload a video into your YouTube studio. You select the file. So that is uploading. So I'm going to go with a simple trick to preview your YouTube thumbnails that actually work. I have now defaulted to some description. So this is just where you put your description in. Thumbnail, always use a custom thumbnail if you can. Playlist, I'm looking at my playlist. I am going to make a new playlist actually, a new playlist. I'm going to call this playlist Tutorials for Beginners. And we're going public, and we're going newest, and we're going create. No, it's not made for kids. Paid promotion, no. Altered content, no. Automatic chapters, I always put no because it does make a little bit of a mess of it. Places, concepts, I don't mind that. Here are the tags. We can do another video on tags, but basically I've got a bunch of defaulted ones in there. Language, English, we are there. Allow embedding, we are going search term, check thumbnails before posting. And we're going next, and I'm adding an end screen. I am going to go with this one here, saving, adding cards. I am going to put a playlist in there. I'm going to put growth tips. I'm going to save, and we're going to go next, and we're going next, and I'm going to go unlisted because I like to do that. And it's saving, and that's it.